Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In the ever-competitive world of high-end photography gear, Nikon is making waves with rumors swirling around their next flagship beast, the Nikon Z9H. As camera tech races ahead at lightning speed, Nikon seems ready to make a bold statement once again. This time, they're reportedly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in high-speed, professional-grade photography. Buckle in as we explore what could be a revolutionary leap forward for sports and wildlife shooters alike. Nikon Z9H rumors. A glimpse into the future of Speed Insider leaks suggest that the Nikon Z9H is a souped-up, ultra-fast sibling to the widely praised Z9. This high-performance mirrorless camera is rumored to target rivals like the Canon EOS R1, Canon R3, and the Sony A9 III. Nikon's goal? To outshine the competition in motion capture, rolling shutter elimination, and ultra-fast burst performance. At the heart of the Z9H lies a reported 20.4 megapixel sensor. At first glance, that resolution might not turn heads compared to the higher megapixel counts in other models. But resolution isn't the whole story here. According to sources, this sensor offers a 0 or millisecond readout speed. That's faster than a human blink. The implication? Near-zero rolling shutter effects and the ability to freeze moments with insane clarity and minimal distortion. Global shutter and blazing sync speeds, new creative. Possibilities. What really makes this rumored Z9H jaw-dropping is its supposed global shutter capability, combined with flash synchronization speeds up to 1/200,000th of a second. Yes, you read that right. That means photographers can freeze incredibly fast-moving subjects with precision lighting control. Whether it's a race car mid-drift, a sprinter crossing the finish line, or a falcon diving at full speed, the Z9H could deliver results that were previously near impossible. This could be a game-changer not just for sports and wildlife photographers, but also for those in commercial, fashion, or even scientific photography, where timing and precision are paramount. Processing power. The heartbeat of the beast under the hood. Rumors point to a dual-X-Speed processor setup, potentially a dual-X-Speed 7, or even an early version of X-Speed 8. Why two processors? Simple. Managing high-speed data throughput, heat dissipation, and AI-powered autofocus in real time takes some serious muscle, especially if this camera is expected to handle 20+ FPS continuous shooting, 8K or 6K raw video, and deep buffer performance. Heat management is a big deal here. Nikon may be exploring active cooling systems or advanced thermal regulation to keep the Z9H operating smoothly during intense, extended shooting sessions. Target release. Date. Strategic timing for maximum impact industry. Whispers hint that the Z9H could debut in Q1 2026. That launch window aligns beautifully with global sporting events and peak wildlife seasons, giving Nikon a platform to showcase this tech marvel. Whether it's Olympic sports coverage or African safari tours, pros will want to have the Z9H in their hands. Competitive landscape. Nikon. Taking the fight to Sony and Canon, the full-frame mirrorless race is heating up. Sony has long held the crown for autofocus speed and AI smarts, while Canon's R3 is a sports photography favorite. But Nikon has been catching up fast, especially after the success of the Z9 and Z8. The Z9H could potentially leapfrog both competitors by offering unmatched global shutter performance, ultra-fast sync, and high-speed burst rates. Nikon's trajectory suggests they're not just playing catch-up anymore, they're aiming to dominate. But wait, there's more. The Nikon Z8L rumors. While excitement builds around the Z9H, Nikon fans are also buzzing about the upcoming Nikon Z8L, expected to be the next-generation hybrid powerhouse. The Nikon Z8 set a high bar back in 2023, often dubbed a mini Z9. However, despite its stellar 45mm stacked sensor, 8K video capabilities, and fast AF, it wasn't without its flaws, namely, overheating during extended video use, middling battery performance, and storage-heavy file sizes. The Z82 refining. The flagship formula enter the Z82. Nikon's opportunity to refine the Z8's formula and redefine the mirrorless standard. Speculations suggest it will inherit the Z9's DNA, but with smarter integration of next-gen tech, including the highly efficient XSpeed7 processor. Expect better thermal performance, enhanced AI subject tracking, and much faster burst modes. Smarter, faster, better. Enhanced video and AF performance in video terms, the Z82 might push boundaries even further. We could be looking at 8K 60p and 4K 240p recording with crop factors. Nikon may also introduce internal ND filters, helping outdoor videographers avoid external accessories. Photographers will also benefit from improved 3D tracking with custom prioritization, smarter low-light subject recognition, internal 12-bit and RAW, and ProRes HQ codec options, enhanced noise reduction, powered by real-time AI body upgrades and ergonomic. Tweaks. The Z8LL might take a page from Sony's weight-saving designs, introducing carbon fiber elements for reduced bulk without sacrificing durability. Button layout refinements are likely, along with a redesigned joystick, better menu access, and new custom buttons. Price and strategy, undercutting the competition. If Nikon sticks to its recent pricing strategy, we could see the Z82 launch around $4,500, competitively lower than the Sony A1 and possibly on par with the Canon R5 Mark II. Nikon has historically priced smartly to reclaim DSLR users and tempt professionals migrating from Canon or Sony. Timeline and availability rumors indicate a 2026 launch following the Z9LL. In the meantime, the Z8 remains a worthy option, now available for around $3,500. Regular firmware updates are continually enhancing its capabilities, with new features like raw video output, better AF behavior, and expanded lens compatibility. Final thoughts: Nikon's bold road. Ahead, both the Z9H and Z8L represent Nikon's bold pivot toward innovation-first mirrorless systems. Whether you're a pro capturing lightning-fast moments or a filmmaker pushing 8K boundaries, Nikon is offering serious tools to get the job done.